it's beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. Today, I have lipstick, my babe. Always. Today's video is going to be on this bluish or tealish and pink eye. I wanted to do something that incorporated the colors from my jumpsuit. So that's what I have for you today. If you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So to start off this look, I'm taking the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade 208 Unlimited Blue. And I'm going to be drawing this in the crease and in the inner part of the eye, but focusing more on the inner part and not on the outer part. So then I'm taking the pencil in the shade 202 Total Midnight, and I'm going to darken up the inner part of my eye. And of course, I'm blending these pencils out with a dual fiber brush from Luxie Beauty. You guys know the drill. Then I'm taking the Makeup Forever pencil in 804 No Boundaries blush, and I'm adding this to the outer V of my eye. Very different shape and like color placement look. I just wanted to do something a little bit different today. I actually didn't set this, and I went right into the BH Cosmetics Classic Blush Palette, and I'm taking that shade there on a really fluffy blending brush, and I'm going over the upper crease area with this, and then I'm going to bring it into the outer V of my eye. So I'm kind of connecting them as I blend. So then I'm taking Bleach London's Louder Powder on a Suva Beauty blending brush, and this is kind of like my transition shade for the next shade. And then I picked it up on a MAC 217 brush to kind of more focus the shadow in that area, if you know what I mean. And then I'm going over and blending. Now I'm taking the Bleach London OTB Louder Powder Shadow on a smaller brush, and I'm darkening up the inner corner of the eye and in the crease. Of course, going back and blending. Then I'm taking the STILA Freedom Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and I'm placing that in the center of my lid. And then I just picked up a really small brush. This is either the 610 or 620 from Suva Beauty, and I'm kind of feathering that out. I've shown you guys this technique before in definitely my Milani video. So these products are pretty much exactly the same, and I just like to feather the edges so that it doesn't look like just it slopped it on, you know what I mean? Then I'm taking the Makeup Forever 804 pencil again and adding that to the outer part of my waterline and my lower lash line, blending that out. Then I'm taking the 208 pencil and I'm adding this to the inner half and lower lash line, my waterline and my lower lash line, blending that out. And then I'm going to go back into the BH Cosmetics blush palette, and I'm adding that same blush shade to the lower lash line to blend that out or smoke it out. And then I'm taking the Bleach London's Louder Powder again and placing that on top of where I placed the aqua pencil. Then I'm going to the ABH Dream Glow Kit, and I'm taking Ethereal and I'm popping that into the inner corner of my eye. Then I just popped on some lashes and threw in a colored contact for the photo. But I'll leave the lashes in the description box below, and this is the finished eye look. Alright, so this is the completed look. On my lips, I am wearing the Pop Beauty Z liquid lipstick along with the Urban Decay SPL Gloss. So that's what's on my lips. Hope hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when my videos go live. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys!